Welcome to English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to follow Sarah and Charlie on their most unforgettable flight experience. Sometimes traveling by plane can be a little scary, but don't worry, our story has a happy ending. In this video, you will learn useful English phrases for air travel and how to talk about feelings during stressful situations. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
Charlie, do you have your passport ready?
Yes, I have it right here. What about our boarding passes?
I printed them this morning. Here they are.
Perfect. What time does our flight leave?
At 2:30 p.m., we have plenty of time.
Good. I'm a little nervous about flying today.
Why are you nervous? We fly all the time.
I don't know. I just have a strange feeling.
Don't worry, Charlie. Everything will be fine.
You're right. Let's go to security now.
Yes, let's go. The line looks short today.
That's good news. I hate waiting in long lines.
Remember to take your laptop out of your bag.
Oh, right. I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
Do you have any liquids in your carry-on?
Just a small bottle of water. Is that okay?
You need to throw it away or drink it now.
I'll drink it quickly. I'm thirsty anyway.
Good idea. The security line is moving fast today.
Yes, we'll be through in no time.
Don't forget to take off your shoes, too.
I know. I've done this before, Sarah.
Sorry, I'm just being careful.
It's okay. Better safe than sorry. How much time do we have before boarding?
About 30 minutes. Let's relax for a bit.
Good. I want to buy some snacks for the flight.
That's a smart idea. Airplane food isn't always great.
Exactly. Do you want anything from the shop?
Maybe some chocolate and a bottle of water.
Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Take your time. I'll watch our bags.
Thanks, honey. See you soon.
The weather looks nice outside.
Yes, it's a beautiful day for flying.
I hope it stays this nice during our flight. Did you hear that announcement?
Yes, they're starting to board our flight now.
What zone are we in?
Let me check our boarding passes. We're in Zone 3.
So we don't need to rush yet.
No, but let's get ready anyway.
Did you get the snacks?
Yes, I got chocolate, crackers, and water.
Perfect. I'm getting excited about this trip.
Me too. It's going to be great.
The line is getting longer now.
Let's join the line. They just called Zone 2.
Our seats are 15A and 15B. Let me find row 15.
I think it's a few more rows back.
There it is, row 15. Which seat do you want?
I'll take the window seat if that's okay with you.
Of course. I prefer the aisle seat anyway.
Great. Let me put our bag in the overhead compartment.
Be careful. It looks pretty full up there.
I think I can fit it. There we go.
Perfect. Now let's sit down and get comfortable.
This airplane looks pretty new.
Yes, it does. I like the modern interior.
The seats seem comfortable too.
They're starting the safety demonstration now.
I always pay attention, even though I've heard it many times.
It's important to listen. You never know when you might need it.
You're right. Safety first, always.
Did you fasten your seatbelt?
Yes, it's nice and tight. What about you?
Mine's fastened too. When do you think we'll take off?
Probably in about 10 minutes.
I can't wait to be in the air.
The weather still looks good outside.
Yes, it should be a smooth flight.
I hope so. I really hope so. We're starting to move now.
Yes, we're heading to the runway.
The engines are getting louder.
That's normal, don't worry about it.
Here we go. We're taking off now.
Wow, look how fast we're going.
I can feel the plane lifting up.
We're in the air now, look outside.
Everything looks so small from up here.
I love this part of flying.
It's always amazing. The view is incredible.
We're climbing higher and higher. This is nice. The flight is very smooth so far.
Yes, it's perfect. Look at those beautiful clouds.
They look like cotton balls from up here.
I never get tired of this view.
Would you like something to drink?
Maybe some coffee. What about you?
I'll have some water. Here comes the flight attendant.
Perfect timing.
This is going to be a great flight.
I think so too. My worries were for nothing.
See? I told you everything would be fine.
You were right, as always. Did you feel that?
Feel what? Oh, yes, the plane is shaking a little.
It's probably just some turbulence.
I think you're right. It happens sometimes.
But it's getting stronger.
Maybe we should call the flight attendant.
Look, the seatbelt sign is turning on.
That means we need to stay in our seats.
I don't like this feeling.
Stay calm, Charlie. It's just weather.
I hope you're right.
The flight attendants look calm. That's a good sign.
Sarah, this is getting really scary.
I know, but we need to stay calm.
The plane is shaking so much.
Hold my hand. We'll get through this together.
What if something terrible happens?
Don't think like that. Airplanes are very safe.
But I've never felt turbulence this strong before.
The pilots know what they're doing.
I can't look out the window anymore.
That's okay. Just focus on your breathing.
Thank you for being so strong.
We're in this together. Always. Shh. The captain is making an announcement.
I can't hear him very well with all this noise.
He's saying something about the weather.
Did he say we're going to land somewhere else?
I think he said we might have to change our route.
That doesn't sound good.
It's better to be safe than sorry.
What did he say about the turbulence?
He said it should end in about 20 minutes.
20 minutes feels like forever right now.
At least he's keeping us informed.
Yes, that makes me feel a little better. Oh no, that was a really big bump.
I felt it too. Just breathe slowly, Charlie.
I think I'm going to be sick.
Use the bag in the seat pocket if you need to.
This is definitely the scariest flight of our lives.
I have to admit, this is pretty scary for me too.
At least we're scared together.
That's true. We'll have quite a story to tell.
If we survive this.
Don't say that. Of course we will.
You're right. I'm just being dramatic.
It's okay to be scared sometimes. Charlie, I think it's getting better.
Really? I'm afraid to open my eyes.
Yes, the shaking is much less now.
You're right. I can feel the difference.
Look outside. The sky is getting clearer.
Oh, wow. You're absolutely right.
The flight attendant is standing up now.
That's a very good sign.
I think the worst part is over.
I hope so. My heart is still beating fast.
Mine too, but I'm starting to feel better.
Thank goodness for that. I can't believe how quickly that changed.
It's like a completely different flight now.
The sun is shining and the sky is beautiful again.
And listen, no more scary noises.
Just the normal, peaceful sound of the engines.
The flight attendant is offering drinks again.
I definitely need something to drink now.
Me too. Something cold and refreshing.
I'm so glad that's over.
It was scary, but we got through it together.
That's what matters most.
Now we can enjoy the rest of our flight. The captain just announced we're starting our descent.
Finally, I can see the city down below.
How does it look from up there?
Beautiful. All the buildings look like tiny toys.
I need to put my book away and get ready to land.
Good idea. Do we have everything?
Let me check. Phone, wallet, passports. Yes, everything's here.
Perfect. I'm so excited to finally be here.
After that scary experience, landing will feel amazing.
I'll never take smooth flights for granted again.
That's a good lesson to learn.
We're getting lower and lower. We're on the ground. We made it!
That was the smoothest landing ever.
I'm so happy to be back on solid ground.
Listen to everyone clapping.
I feel like clapping too after that flight.
The pilot did an amazing job.
And so did all the flight attendants.
They stayed calm the whole time.
Now I understand why they trained so much.
We're taxiing to the gate now.
Soon we'll be off this airplane.
What an adventure this turned out to be. Finally, I can't wait to get off this plane.
Me neither. Can you help me reach our bag?
Of course. It's right there in the overhead compartment.
Got it. That bag feels heavier than before.
Maybe because we're so tired from all that stress.
You're probably right about that.
The line is moving slowly.
That's okay. I'm just happy to be here safely.
Everyone looks so relieved.
I think we all shared the same scary experience.
At least it brought people together.
True. Now let's go find our luggage.
Well, that was certainly an adventure.
I'll never forget this flight, as long as I live.
It was scary, but we handled it well together.
You were so brave and calm during the whole thing.
You were brave too, Charlie. You just showed it differently.
I'm so glad it's over and we're safe.
Me too. Now we can enjoy our vacation.
Definitely. Nothing can scare us after that flight.
Should we get some food? I'm suddenly very hungry.
Great idea. All that stress made me hungry too.
Let's find a nice restaurant and celebrate.
Celebrate surviving the scariest flight of our lives.
I hope you enjoyed following Sarah and Charlie on their unforgettable flight experience. Even when things get scary, staying calm and supporting each other makes everything better. Have you ever experienced turbulence during a flight? How did you feel? Please share your own flying stories in the comments below. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English to help you learn. If you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video. See you next time for another English story. Bye!